Hi, Falcons. This is Ms. Kia with some second quarter reminders for you. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want you to begin with the end in mind. I want you to have your goals set for this quarter and be proactive in getting towards the finish line. There are four things I'm going to cover today: the grading scale change, reading counts, late assignments, and a opportunity with your data tracker. So for grading, there is going to be a small change in how grades are calculated starting this quarter. So we have summative and formative assessments. Your summatives are like your unit tests and big projects. Formative are the small, short assignments that you have daily. So unit tests and big projects are going to count 60% of your grade this time. It was 70 last time, and your daily classwork is going to count for more of your grade, 40%. So what does that mean? It means that those daily assignments, and we had a lot of missing assignments the last quarter, they are going to count more in your final grade. So I want you to be mindful of that as you are working each day. Let's talk about reading counts. You need to know when your points, what points you need, and what your due date is. So for sixth grade, there are 35 points that you should get. They're due on the 14th. Seventh grade is the same. 35 points, they're due on January 13th. Eighth grade is a little bit different. Miss Marion and Miss Harrison will give you information on that this week. Make sure that you understand completely what the due dates and what the assignments are, eighth graders. Now let's talk about late work. How long do you have to get things in when you get behind? It's going to change this quarter. So I'm calling it the 5-day rule. So basically, you have 5 days from the date something is due to complete it. This will affect both your attendance and your grades. Because remember, if you turn something in, we then go back in and change your attendance. So if you get behind, guys, your teachers are only going to go back to change attendance 5 days, and they're going to accept work that is 5 days late. Okay? If you turn in work late, there will be a penalty. So make sure that you are getting things in on time. If you get behind, guys, there is always the opportunity to sign up for Grace Academy. That will give you some grace and some extra time if you need it. So here's an example. If something is due on Friday the 5th, you have until the 12th to get it in, okay? If it's due on the 2nd, you have to the 9th. So it's 5 student days, not counting the weekend, okay? So let's talk about data tracking. I am very interested in seeing your data trackers. And so I have not had the opportunity to really look at anybody's. And since this is my first year, I want to see what you're doing and I want to see how you're progressing. So please send in your data trackers to my email, mccatherinet@wilkes.k12.nc.us. Yes, I know that there are many, many of you, and I understand that there will be a lot of emails. It may take a few days, but I will personally respond to your data tracker. And I just want to know what's going on with you guys. So if you will turn in those data trackers, you will be put in a drawing for an Amazon gift card. I will do that drawing on October the 30th. I will hand it to you that day. And good luck to all of you. Turn in those data trackers. I want to see what you're doing. So, what do you need to be successful? You need to come to school and class and be ready to learn. Use your planner to keep up. Do your assignments and turn them in. If you get behind, ask for help. It's so important. Advocate for yourself. And don't procrastinate. Don't wait to the end to get your reading counts and all of your other things that you have for the quarter. Don't wait. 5 days for late assignments. You have your due dates for reading counts. And the most important thing, don't stress. Just do your best and ask for help when you need it because we're here for you. Have a great day.